This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sarita Lytell. Views, views, views. Outrageous wide LakeViews.Cornwall is one of the most desirable buildings in Century Village.Two Bedroom, 1.5 bath, open floor plan.Carpet throughout, with tile and kitchen, and dining room.Community features resort style amenities. For more information, review the details below.